Class 9, Chapter 1, Number Systems, Module 3 Continuation. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about real numbers and their decimal expansion. Dear children, last class we had discussed the same type of questions. That questions are very important also. Now listen carefully this question. Show that 0.2353535 etc. which is equal to 0.235 bar. There is no bar at the top of 2. Only 35 bar is there in the top of 35. Can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Listen students, when we transfer from Word to WPS, that bar having some problem. Okay, so here the top of 35 bar is there. The solution, we can take the first one, given number as x, that is x is equal to 0.2353535 etc. Or we can write it as x is equal to 0.235 bar. Put equation number 1. Now, no bar for 2. So, to replace that 2 to the whole number part, we multiply both sides of equation number 1 with the 10. So, 10x is equal to 2.35 bar. Put equation number 2 there. Now, two decimal places are repeating, that is 3, 5. So, both sides of equation number 2 we need to multiply with 100 to replace 235 to the whole number part. So, 10x into 100 become what? 1000x is equal to 2.35 into 100 is equal to 235.35 bar. That is equation number 3. Now you need to subtract equation number 3 minus equation number 2. That is 1000x minus 10x is equal to 235.35 bar minus 2.35 bar. That is what? 990x is equal to 233. That is 235 minus 2 is equal to 233. 0.35 minus 0.35 becomes 0. So x is equal to what? 233 by 990, which is in the form what? P by Q. So we express that one, the decimal form of the rational number, in the form of what? A rational P by Q form. Okay. Now the next question, listen. There is also simple one but important. You know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7 and 3 by 7? So last class we had discussed 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. That is repeating. Okay. So we need to find out here the values of 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. Simple one. So to find out 2 by 7, what? 2 into 1 by 7 value. Then just to multiply that numbers. So what we get? 0.285714 bar. Then 3 by 7 means what? 3 into 1 by 7 value. Then what we get? 0.428571 bar. Simple one is there but important also. Okay. Now the next question is find an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. So 1 by 7 value and 2 by 7 value, we know that. Now listen carefully. Irrational number means, what do you mean by an irrational number? Yes, the decimal form of an irrational number is what? Non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay, now irrational number means what? Which cannot be expressed in the form P by Q. So, the decimal form of that irrational numbers. First one, we need to find out the values of 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. But in this question, that two values are given. Now, we need to just write the numbers, irrational numbers between these two. So, starting just listen, 0.14. Then 2 by 7 value 0.28. In between we need to write. So you can write any number, but we know what is an irrational number. It is what non-terminating, non-repeating. So the first one example 0.150, 1500, 15000, etc. Then next below that is 0.28. So 0.2650, 26 650, 265 000, 265 506, etc. is there. Any examples we can write. Okay, different one. Now the next one, listen. Next type, write two numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-repeating. Now listen carefully. Non-terminating, non-repeating or non-recurring means what? This irrational numbers. So we know what type of irrational number means what? It is non-terminating, non-repeating means any example you can write. That is 23.05, 005, 0005, etc. Then another example for 0.53553, 5553, etc. Clear, students? Okay. Thank you.